is making weird noises, and I'm gonna take a video of it without my mom knowing. So let's get into it. I'm just laying down. Yeah. Yeah. Hey. I'm making a YouTube video about him. Yeah. I'm making a YouTube video. Hey.
Let me see if he wants some more bananas.
Banana. 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 Yeah. I'm gonna go outside. Jesus Christ, the Lord. Can't do nothing right. So guys, we have giant sunflowers. We have giant sunflowers, and look how big they are. Like, they're so huge. They're scary. Too close. Look at that. It's creepy. Hold up. I think this one's gonna fall down. It's creepy. I'm scared. Yeah, I have more sunflowers in the backyard, but they're all like dead. Let's see. So we got a tree growing right here, as you can see. Let's zoom out. Okay. We got more sunflowers over here. My mom's doing yard work a lot. Yeah, and we got like some vines. Like, look, got some vines going right there and over there. And there's some on the sunflowers, as you can see, is going up right there. And yeah, so when I came out here, in the living room, I heard my baby brother making noises, and it was weird. He was just crying, basically. It was weird. Yeah, so that's my morning vlog. That's not my vlog. Well, bye. Well, I'm trying to say bye, but I can't. Well, I just said it, but bye, guys.